Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a zip file to an email from Microsoft Outlook for Office 365 web-based on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account, go to the left hand side navigation menu or go all the way to the bottom left corner of the screen, click on all applications, now go to Outlook, click on new message, and this is an email to myself, so media@showcasegroup.co.uk. Let's just now attach a zip file, browse this computer. Let's just go to the downloads, and there I see general.zip. Let's just click on this. It says your file is very large. Let's just attach as a copy. 12 MB. The file has now been attached. We can now add a subject, zip file. Go to the main email, Dear Media, please see the attached zip file. Kind regards, Media, bold, yes. We can now send to ourselves. There you go. I have now received an email from myself, Media, with the zip file. So we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.